Good morning, traders. Today is Friday. And let us not forget that the banks are closed Monday. Hold on, but the markets will be open. So even though the bank is closed, the markets will be open unless you live in Canada. Now we've had a huge drop this morning, about a $4 drop. What effect that is going to have on the market, we do not know yet, but we do know there is definitely going to be an effect. You have some longs, overnight longs, that are definitely going to be caught up this morning that will probably be running for the fences. As we can see yesterday's action, where we had a huge move by the bulls towards the close for the stock to close here in the 424 425, 424.50 area, only to drop all the way down to 420 this morning. As you can see, this huge drop. I don't know what happened at 8 o'clock, 8:30 rather, but something happened and they did not like it. And at 8:30, we had this massive red candle drop. Now, the only question is going to be, will the bulls find this price here very attractive and decide to buy at these lower prices for a rally? Will the bulls be scared, the ones yesterday who bought here in the late afternoon, and will they hit the "oh save me" handle at market open? Because a lot of them can't trade until market open. This will definitely be a very volatile first 5 minutes, and we are having a great week. We do not want to mess this week up today. We do not want to give back any profits that we've made this week. We've been profitable every day this week, except for Monday. And Monday we took a $10 loss. So we are definitely going to protect our profits. Sit back and watch. This is going to be a wild ride. This is Abdul Shabazz for some real change stock options trading journey. And I thank you for joining us as we prepare for a wild day today with 30 seconds left on the clock. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let us prepare to make some profits today. Bismillah. Let's go to the 5 minute. We're on the 5 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. This 422 is yesterday's demand. I'm sorry. Yes, that's correct. Yesterday's demand. So that is where this line comes from. As you can see here on the 30-minute chart, it was created yesterday. It was yesterday's demand. Right here. And this is where we're at right now. So this is what we're going to see what's happening. So far, we have a doji being presented. We want to stay clear of everything these first 30 minutes. For sure today. Certainty today. Bears might find these prices very attractive here. bulls might find these prices very attractive here. We just have to wait and see. Let's just be patient. We want easy money. Easy money. That means that some trades are going to have to get past us in order to set up for an easier trade. We want to exercise discipline, guys. There's 4 key elements to making sure you are a successful trader. That is risk management. That is only taking A+ setups, sometimes B+. Discipline, and more importantly, patience and time. You can't make anything happen. You can't predict. All we can do is watch, wait, and then react. Especially dealing with options. Options, we don't have the wiggle room. And one thing we'd like to do here at Some Real Change is when we get in a play, we like to be in profit immediately. Immediately. So we take our time. If we're not in profit immediately, then we get out. Now, this area has also set up for the break of demand. It is also set up for a green to red move, potentially. We want to go ahead and set an alarm there. Again, we like to wait for somebody to get in trouble. So beneath this, these bulls will be in trouble and they will have to cover. So with that being the case, I already have a 421 put. I already have selected that for my gun, but I'm going to change that to a 422. Change that to a 422 potentially. Now it does not have to be a bearish day at all, but I'm just preparing because this is not at all a very strong push at all. This was the area on the chart when they gave it all up, and that's why it's marked off. Let me show you real quick. Right here, this 423 area, this line, this is pretty much where they gave it all up, that and that 424. So there might be a little bit of resistance here, but I'm willing to delete this line for the stronger daily support line right here. Daily resistance line, I mean. We also could have a break of V. We could have a combining there. Right there. It would be a break of V and a break of demand. And going from green to red. And all the initial bulls this morning would be in trouble. Starting to look good if you look on this 30-minute. This huge upper wick. This is showing rejection of higher prices by the bears. And they're pushing the price down. It's coming into view. We have to be patient. We have to be patient. It's coming into view. We have to be patient. We cannot be early. There's definitely a good probable reason. I'm just putting 10 contracts in the clip. 10 contract clip. 422 put. Now we just have to be patient. It's a lot of chalk right out the gate, guys. That's why we have to wait for it to close. Whew, look at that. That's turning out to be a beautiful washout long. A lot of chop, a lot of indecisions. It's Friday. There's been a terrible reaction pre-market. And the market does not know what to do right now. So there is no way I'm using 10 contracts. Let's back right off of that to 5. This is where I want to be. I have to let it close. This is where I want to be. This is where I want to be. I have to let it close. Yeah, it's agony. It's definitely agony, but we have to have discipline, guys. Without discipline, what are we? We have to have discipline. Yes, that's my trade. Yes, I want to take that trade, but I'm not going to lead you guys down something that I wouldn't do. It's 9:38. You know, we don't even like to trade before 10 o'clock here. Yeah, I know it's Friday. Yeah, I know. I see it. I'm sick. Oh, yeah, I'm sick. Definitely sick. But we're safe, and that's what is most important. We are safe, and that's what is most important. I'm sorry, wrong button. We're safe, and that's what's most important. And that is why we wait for the 5-minute. Look at this move. Look, what if I would have jumped in right here on this flush? And like, guys, let's go. It's broken demand. Let's get in. And now we get here like, oh, guys, we're doing great. We're making so much profit. And then now all of a sudden it whips right back on us. No, we don't want that. We don't want that. Much more ways to make easier money. And they're coming up. But don't get me wrong. Everything is set up the way we want it. She's gone red to green. She's below. I'm just waiting for the next 5-minute candle. Ugh. It's getting sickening around here. This is really developing character. Oh, goodness. Whew. Hold on. Let's see what she might come back to. This is the new 5-minute candle. She's right here at 421. Gotta be patient. Man, I don't know what to do, guys. 421, this is my original call right here. But I gotta let this candle close too. It's just too risky for us to get in right now, guys. We're not chasing. We're not doing that. We work too hard, man, for this money. We're not giving it away. Hindsight, do I wish I would have taken this trade with you guys? Nope. We don't want to start practicing bad habits just because the market is in a disarray. We have to stick to our system. And originally, let me show you my plans. Originally, I wanted a 421 put. You can see that. Originally, I wanted a 421 put and take that down to 420, even possibly 419. So, could that possibly still happen? Yes. It's even more reason why we're not going to panic. And you can still see off of this. You see that move there? So even if we would have bought it, we would have got a little bit of a move. Where did it go? It went from 221.89 to 221.20 maybe. 60-cent move. Look at that. Look at that V right there, guys. That's the reward for the patience. Knowing that we didn't miss out on anything. All we did was just protect our profits and exercise discipline. And that's going to be the difference between having longevity in this game. Treating it as a professional. And when you treat this as a professional business, you have to have a set of criteria that have to be met in order for you to conduct business. And we know the first 5 minutes of volatile and the first 15 minutes are showing you exactly what I say every day. The first 15 minutes, you can possibly get trapped. In the first 15 minutes, look at this 30-minute candle. Look at this. Googity Bob. You have a huge wick at the top and a huge wick at the bottom. What is going on? Nothing but indecision. Nothing but indecision is going on. Nothing but indecision. Nothing but traps above and below. Look at these traps. That's exactly what it is. So our emotions get involved because we see the stock moving and we're on the sidelines. But our system tells us that we are supposed to be on the sidelines. Sitting out this volatile trickery, trappery. And Lord knows there's enough traps out there. Please, guys, please don't avoid. Please avoid the traps. Please avoid the traps. Now, I do like this, guys. I do like this potentially coming back down below this, but I'm going to wait. Because this right here, right now, is really acting as our current day demand. This is turning into support. No, let's move it up. Let's set it up right. Let's go to the 5-minute chart to set this up correctly. We can do a little something different now. All right, let's go. All right, let's go ahead and adjust our 5-minute charts. Okay, this will be our level of supply. Okay. This will be our new supply level. Okay. Like it or not, we also have a demand level now. Now let's prepare to get busy. Now let's prepare to get busy. Now let's see what she gonna do. Yeah, I see it. Oh man, I saw it. I saw it. Okay, I do like a 420 call. As you guys saw that on my paper as well. She's going right back to supply. So we've already missed that. This might be where I want to grab that put coming out of it. But the range is not a lot of range right now between supply and demand. Breaking right through it. Yes. You see, I'm working these charts, quickly trying to adjust because this stock is. Look at that trap, guys. Gosh almighty. Googity Bob. Yeah, I was slow on that. I was slow. Because that was Man, I was slow on that. That was a retest of demand. That was a retest of demand right there. A beautiful retest of demand. Oh, oh, yeah, you put that up there if you want to. Show me that if you want to. Okay. Yeah, it's a shooting star, but we have to ignore it right now. We have to ignore it. We have to ignore it right now. Just give me a little bit of retracement back. Goodness. This is nuts what's happening right now, guys. This is nuts. Look, I am your teammate. I am some of you guys' coach, some of you guys' friend, some of you guys' associate. If you guys know anything or have an opinion on what's going on, type it in the chat. I don't see what's going on. Let me look in the chat here. Okay, walaikum assalam. Good morning, Dr. J. I see that you are here with us today. Yeah, I said that too. Remember when I drew that out of here, guys? Race. Remember that? But looking at the 5 minutes, guys, look at this chart. It's nuts. Absolutely nuts. Yes, it's definitely volatile before 10 a.m. still today. And even though this is a trade I normally would have taken, but not today. I don't want to trades like that. We want some peaceful, tranquil trades. Don't get me wrong now. Gosh, she's looking good again. I'm glad I didn't. It's still before 10 o'clock. Still super volatile. Look at this. Who would have known that this stock would go all the way up and then come all the way back down in the same candle? It's giving me anxiety. My God, look at this. Right back to supply. No, guys, let's just watch. This is a show. The break of demand. I don't know. What is going on? I don't know. What is going on? This is nuts. But that is another dribble. It is another dribble on demand. I do want to see it push away and then come back again. But it's hard because look at this. We set our demand up off the 5 minute. Wow. Absolutely yuck. Yeah, I say that too, right? Yeah. You know what I mean? This is nasty. Nastily. Patience, guys. We have to be patient. We can't anticipate a setup. We have to wait for setup. And then furthermore, we have to wait for confirmation before we get in. On this beautiful day of Yamo Jumu'ah, we are having this very ugly chart. Now the stock is back green for today. If the stock doesn't know what it wants to do, I don't know what it wants to do, you don't know what it wants to do, we're not doing anything. I'll tell you what we will do. We will revisit this stock in 8 minutes. In 8 minutes. It is best to back up to a larger time frame. The stock is back red again. Oh my God. It's breaking demand now, but I don't know, man. Do I get in it just for the ride? Nah. Yeah, let's wait till 10 o'clock, guys. We have to wait till 10 o'clock. There's nothing wrong with not trading. You know, wanting to be professionals, meaning we have to make professional moves. And the thing that has really been helping me out is I've placed the responsibility of anyone who watches me on this channel. I've placed the responsibility of your trading as well on my shoulders, because I know how the fear of missing out can allow somebody to want to jump in if they see someone else making money and things of this nature. So I'm being very careful, very cautious with what I trade. And I hope you guys appreciate that and acknowledge that. I'm not just trying to get a quick scalp here and there. No. I'm trying to show you guys that there is tranquil trading out here. And right now, this ain't it. This does look almost good, because this green candle here by the bulls, after this flush from the bears, they weren't able to take it back up to VWAP, and then this candle could potentially close below demand. 30 seconds left on it. Oh yeah, I'm really done till 10 o'clock, guys. We, us. We're not gamblers. We don't gamble here. And let me explain the difference. A gambler, he puts his money down and then he waits for the action to happen, knowing no idea what anything is getting ready to happen. So he's just putting his money down blindly, and then the action happens. But us as traders, we get to actually watch the action happen first, and we can get in or we cannot get in based on the action that we see happening, based upon the desire to want to own a piece of this stock right now. If we don't want to own a piece of this stock right now, it's not a good time for us to buy it. When we see that there's a good time for us to buy some shares or have the right to buy some shares, then we execute. And when we see a time that price has gone up in valuation, and then we sell. But if we get out here and we just start putting our money up, and we're not looking for any patterns, we're not looking for any setups, we're not exercising any discipline, then we're gambling, and we're strictly against that. 421, back to my 421 level. Anxious to see what it does here. It looked like it's trying to break it finally. There it goes. I'm waiting on a retracement. Again, I'm not doing nothing till 10 o'clock, guys. Actually, I'm about to step away and go get a cuppa. And that is exactly why we did not enter the put right here. Because everything that it gave, it took back. Everything it gave, it took back. This is a watch and learn day. There have to be days like that in the market. Every day is not going to be a trading day. But the discipline to sit here is amazing. Now, you guys do know we got sleepy Joe Biden getting ready to speak. So that's some even more nonsense getting ready to take place. We're at the 10 o'clock hour. It's a lot of controlled buying, guys. A lot of controlled buying. Mm. Yeah, there it goes again, but I'm not fooled. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it, guys. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Look at it. You see that? You see that? I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Definitely strong signs from the Bulls, though. I mean, you cannot deny the Bulls are definitely buying up these lower prices at the 421. And it's starting to look like a rocket trying to get ready to take off. But extra choppy, guys. It's just so choppy. Hmm. That's a good sign there, finally. This yellow line is pre-market lows. As soon as I said it, that's a good sign. Right back up. But it is a good sign. If we look and start reading the candlestick charts, we can do see that the bears are right now trying to thwart the effort by the bulls in this candle, which is even more important for us to wait. We have 15 seconds left and then see if the next candle opens below the 421 area here. Okay, it does. Finally get in. We finally got a opening, guys. Finally got an opening, I believe. If this candle turns on me, guys, I'm done for the day. If it turns on me, I'm done. I'm going to be patient with it because we're finally below demand. And we're finally, oh my goodness, look at that. Mm-hmm. I'm going to hold on just a little longer. Not too much longer, though. It's sickening. Don't you guys get in. Let me deal with this foolishness. Let me be the guinea pig. Let me be the guinea pig, not you guys. Let me be the guinea pig. Yeah, I went ahead and got out. I don't care what it does. All right, I got in again. Let me switch to Hikanashi. Alright. Let me switch to Hikanashi. Alright. I'm at least want to take this to pre-market lows, guys. Okay. Let me get some of my money back. I want to see if I can take this to pre-market. Finally got it the right way, guys. I finally got it going the right way. I would definitely like to take this to the pre-market lows. How many do I have? I don't know how many do I have. How many do I have? What is my position? How many do I have? 3? It's saying 3, but why is it saying 2? It's saying 3, but why is it saying 2? Have a little conflict there. Oh, awesome, awesome. We made some money on that one. Awesome. 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 I'm just trying to hold this move for further down. Further downward move. Maybe I should have scalped it. Who knows? Starting to come back on me. But no, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient. Okay, I'll take that. 204. That'll put me in some profit. A little bit more profit. A lot of indecision going on right here, guys. A lot of indecision. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. I'm glad some of you guys were able to make some money on that play with me. Let me see what I'm looking like here on a regular canvas. Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. The Bulls have to make their move right now. The Bulls have to make their move right now. So I decided to go ahead and get out. We definitely have a new demand area. So let's go ahead and bring that down. Which is a little bit better now. We have a little bit more room. Now we can clearly see. So there was some profits made right here in glass. Some of you guys did make some of those profits on that. That was so awesome. We will sit back, relax, and enjoy this show. Look at the Bulls. Go, Bulls, go. Look at the Bulls. Go. Go, Bulls, go. I'm going to go ahead and set an alarm right here. We got two things going on. If it comes back down, we'll have a break of demand and also one of the plays that I love. If, who knows? We're just going to watch and see. I drew that earlier right there. That's it too. She's gonna come back down. Right, under view app, I do want to take this right here. What is that? I do want to do 422 put. I do want to do 422 put. I want to do 422 put. But not gonna do it in the middle of the chart. We make our moves off supply, we make our moves off demand. Never in the middle of the chart. Regardless of how right I would have been. What a show. What a show. What a show. Which is why we do not do anything in the middle of the chart. Look at that. We only take trades off supply, off of demand. The line is going through right now is yesterday's low. Guess it's just as good as mine. There go my alarm. Still early. Still early. That's good. So I hit the alarm once. Let's go set it again. So just to alert us. What did it do? It hit it, and boy, did it whiplash. Look at that. Wow, that's a perfect retest of supply. Retest of demand. Perfect retest of demand. If this fails, though, I do believe she'll break through. Boy, would I love that. Because all of these bulls would be in trouble. All of these bulls will be in trouble. So they are really going to have to put up a fight here. Just interesting to watch. Some serious chop, guys. Look at the 2 30-minute candles. Look at this. Look at this. What are we doing today? What are we doing? What are we doing? When it comes out of supply this time, I think she might retouch and keep going. Who knows? But look at the effort the bulls are putting in. My goodness, look at the effort the bulls are putting in. Look at the effort the bulls are putting in. Yeesh. That's gonna get it. Oh, that's gonna get it. Retest of supply for a further move up. Potentially is what it's looking like now. Let's see if supply is respected. Yeah, right. There's the move for the Bulls. There's the move. There's the move. Like I want to test pre-market high. Yep. Already tested a high day, made a new high for today with that move. Biden is going to speak at 11:30, so we should definitely see some type of market reaction to that happening. New 30-minute candle, new 30-minute candle, new 30-minute candle. Yep, we see who is in control for today. Right now, it is the Bulls. They have taken over for today. If we look at the daily chart, we can see where we had a fight, a nice fight. But the Bulls have won the fight. The Bulls have won the fight. So now I just want to sit back and wait for somebody to take some profits. We do have a new supply is being created. A new supply is going to be created. We're here at pre-market high now. As you can see on the daily, it's marked off as well with this yellow line. Pre-market high. And we have reached the pre-market high. We have reached the pre-market high. This line down here was the pre-market low. It's not valid anymore. Beautiful play. Beautiful play. The pre-market high is being respected for now. There has definitely been a lot of buying at the 421 just for the past 4 days, today included. A lot of buying at the 421 level. And the bears have not been able to get it past the 421 level. The question is, how much further will it go today? Will it have any retracement? Today was a great learning experience. I'm pleased some members were able to make some money today. Looking to create a new supply area. Pre-market high a day is now being broken. And the continuation, amazing. Okay. It looks as though we are attempting to establish a new supply. I'm gonna be preemptive. I'm gonna put it right here. Preemptively. I don't want to capture this. This is the go. أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد وانتشت روحي وصار الدمع يجري يا إلهي خذ بقلبي للرشاد أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد وانتشت روحي وصار الدمع يجري يا إلهي خذ بقلبي للرشاد أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد وانتشت روحي وصار الدمع يجري يا إلهي خذ بقلبي للرشاد في سكون الليل أدعو في سجودي والدجى حولي سواء. She has gone past the pre-market high of day, so we can now eliminate that. She has not established an intraday supply. We can eliminate that. And what she is coming upon now is daily resistance. There's a daily resistance here. Go ahead, draw that in real quick. And so now we have resistance. There is no intraday supply, but this is resistance off the daily chart. The stock has reached, yes, has reached resistance, and it is coming down off of resistance. I am getting in here. I am getting in here. I got in here, guys. This is where I got in at this level. With rejection off of the daily. I like to take this down to VWAP. I'm going to be extra patient with this. I have to be. I have to be extra patient with this one, guys. I'm being extra patient with this one, guys. Extra patient with this one. But I'm not in it at a size that I'm uncomfortable with. That's the key here. I'm being extra patient here, guys. Extra patient. I'm being extra patient here, guys. Extra patient. We have daily resistance. We have a doji candle. We possibly may have exhaustion from the bulls. If not, I will get out for a small, controlled loss. But I want it to be in at resistance. And I'm using the break of resistance as my stop. New candle, and I am stopping out. Yep, that will definitely probably be it for me today, guys. I took an attempt at it. There's nothing wrong with that. We kept our tight stopped. We kept our stops very, very tight. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Let's be patient. 30 seconds. Let's be patient. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. On the 5-minute chart, we have a doji. And in 10 seconds, we will have a red shooting star. I just got in, guys. Right there. We'll definitely be keeping this super tight because I just got in with 10 contracts. It's not giving me the movement that I want to see just yet. Gotta keep this tight. Yep, gotta keep it tight. Gotta keep it tight. Very proud of that stop. We simply had a failed shooting star, but again, whenever we see a pattern that presents itself to us, we have to take it. And we had the shooting star. It wasn't ideal because it didn't have a gap up, but we did have trading beneath the shooting star. Got back in it again. And now she seems to be acting in the format that she traditionally does. Wow. That was nasty. She is still in a shooting star formation. And that is going to cause me to be patient with her. Temporarily. What if this 5-minute candle does not want to continue down? We will respect that. And we will say, thanks for coming out. God bless you and good night. But when the trade setup shows itself, we have to take the trade. And I'm so glad we have now, finally. New candle, new 5-minute candle. This one is going to be a little important to us. New 5-minute candle. This one is going to be important to us. Breaking this line will be important to us as well. Looking at the 5-minute candle, this line is very important. If the bears can break it and have further push downward, that would be awesome. But this is a counter trend move, so we know it's definitely a scalp play. It's not something we can marry. Auntie Beverly called me. We're remaining patient on this, guys. We're definitely remaining patient on this one. And the patience is starting to pay off. And the patience is starting to pay off, guys. The patience is starting to pay off. This could present a situation where now the bulls have to run to the gate. This could present a situation where the bulls have to run to the gate. Again, we're being extra patient. 3 minutes, and then we have a new 30-minute candle as well. Yep, that's it for me today, guys. Could not figure this one out. Definitely had it, wanted some further profits. So we were in profit about 30 cents, but we wanted a little bit more than that, but the market did not give it to us. What a day it is today, guys, Friday. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up here. You see that we kept the stop on that one. Only a 4-cent loss on that last one. So not a biggie at all, but we will definitely let the market do what it wants to do today. I want to thank you guys for coming out. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And please join us Monday, same time, same channel, same stock. It's Abdul Shabazz with some real change. Thank you. God bless you. Good night. Have a good weekend. And you guys might want to tune in because about 30 minutes, Sleepy Joe Biden will be on. Bye for now.